Good morning.
At night, a bull elk come down to the river and at night, a bull elk come down.
If he wants to do photos, he can. And then we'll get him over to the Silver House for the reception. No, I won't. I've had a death in the family. Thank you.
Hey, you did it.
Come on! Is it cold?
It feels great.
All right, come on. Come here.
Is this gonna be you and Maddie and Timberly today?
No, people don't respond.
What?
People don't respond.
Well, I see Parker and Cassandra.
There is a permanent solution to a temporary problem. You know, I got some experience with that solution. I've chosen. Talks about is that it's contagious. Also, brother and Uncle Ford was through with us.
I would never. My girls would never survive without me. They barely survive now.
Those things come in real handy when you surprise a bear, but that's about all they're good for. How would you feel about me hanging on to that until grizzly makes you real angry. When my father died, the thing that surprised me the most was all the damn paperwork. Paperwork, it's gotta be somebody else's job. Your job's just to miss him. I'll follow you this time. Stay on 287 till you get to your load. Who's this guy?
That's the neighbor.
She wants to stay out.
Are you okay? I've been calling and texting and are you my friend? Am I? Stacey, of course. Think real hard before you answer. Stacey, you are my best friend. Get on a plane. I need you. Text me the address and I will get it first thing in the morning. No. Is there any way someone could bring the rental car to me? I will drive them back. Okay, you know what? How about I pay for 2 rental cars and one person follows the other person to me? You know what? Let's try this again. How about... one second.
This ain't very safe.
You don't say.
Also ain't very legal.
Would you mind arresting me? Is there any way that you can bring a rental car to the police station? Is that possible?
I got an idea that's a little less dramatic. How about I give you a ride?
You do that?
Yes, ma'am.
In the back?
Only if you start making trouble.
I have all of today's trouble out of my system.
Good news for both of us. You're out by the Mason Ranch?
Am I?
Okay, it works.
Cave. Cave the cowboy.
Who's that?
Everybody knows everybody here, huh?
Well, you want you an accomplishment?
Oh man. If it's any consolation, you are seeing me at the lowest point in my life.
I don't get to meet many of their best moments, man. Just need to go. I'll tell you this. If I was going fast in New York City, I'd be a lot more lost than you.
Do you have any music in this thing?
Music is the one thing it don't have. I can turn the sirens on, drive like a bat out of hell if it'll make you feel better.
It's worth a shot. The people just get rid of it.
Sirens have that effect.
I don't think I have the moral compass for this kind of power.
What's your name?
Happy.
You're alright.
indigenous tacos. What do you think?
Can we eat all the lasagna?
Lasagna is down.
What's in the freezer?
Everything in the freezer has hooves.
Alright, let's try the taco things. Where's Mom?
She'll have the light on in her cabin.
I'll be back.
Take care, Sprite.
If there was a bear, I think I would see it. Mom, you didn't tell us you were back. I'm gonna have to go back out and find your sister. She's at the neighbors. What neighbors? The cowboy? That doesn't make any sense. The cowboy followed me here. That's where she is. We're making dinner. Are you hungry? How did she manage that? I heard handsome and I heard uniform. What's for dinner? Tacos? I dare not speak their name. I cannot wait for those girls to meet the woman who made them. We swam in the river today. Yeah, how was that? Help Ray on my hoo-ha. And then Russell made me this baking soda bandage. There's no telling the yeast infection I'm in store for, but the swelling is sure down. My vagina is all tucked. Jesus. I gotta say, Paige, not the answer I was expecting.
When people are together, food is a glue. A real celebration is sharing something that happened that's joyful in your life with others. Any gathering without a cake is just a boring meeting.
Welcome to Bonaventure of Milwaukee, our brand new senior living community. In addition to the great care and wonderful relationships that are going to be built here, we encourage you and your families to join us for activities anytime, anywhere, whether that's enjoying the golf simulator area, going to the movie theater, or having a wonderful time at happy hour. We welcome you. When you're ready for a simplified life, check us out online at retirementperfected.com or give us a call.
This is the 2026 Nissan Rogue. Powered by the world's 10 best engines, you can feel as comfortable out here as you do in here.
Hi.
In the 2026 Nissan Rogue, the most
What
powerful
is
road
cooking?
Nissan.
I called you cookie.
Now get 3,500 customer cash on road, or well-qualified buyers get 0% APR on select model trends.
These are some of the best sets we've ever been on.
So how exactly did you hope bring this world to life?
First thing I'm doing is breaking down the sets, research, and keeping track of all our set dressing in a big spreadsheet.
One of my favorite sets is the team room.
Well, you should take something with you.
I'm not sure anything from set would actually go with my place.
I think I've got just the thing.
Stick around for more Marshalls on CBS and Paramount Plus. Brought to you by Microsoft Excel with Copilot.
What do you think?
I'll take it.
What are you doing, girl?
I'm missing our cabin. Internet stopped breaking. So why'd you throw Mom out?
Mom, you didn't tell us you were back. I'm gonna have to go back out and find your sister. She's at the neighbors. What neighbors? The cowboy? That doesn't make any sense. The cowboy followed me here. That's where she is. We're making dinner. Are you hungry? How did she manage that? I heard handsome and I heard uniform. What's for dinner? Tacos?
What?
I cannot wait for those girls to meet the woman who made them.
What? I texted her
And then Russell made me
this
baking
morning.
soda bandage.
I texted her this morning. She hasn't answered. She probably is so sick.
I do this every day for you.
What are you doing, girl?
Found this in our cabinet. Internet stopped breaking.
So why did you throw Mom out of your truck? For beating Paige's ass?
Hey! Number 1 is the drop. Number 2, nice language. I didn't. Your mother asked to get out of the truck.
Not what she said.
Our relationship with the truth remains the same.
I think this is ready.